Is for right now?
Yeah. Record it.
The National Weather Service
Turn it up.
has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Oakland County in southeastern Michigan, southern Macomb County in southeastern Michigan until 7 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Birmingham or near Southfield, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Warren, Troy, Southfield, Pontiac, Sterling Heights, Royal Oak, Birmingham, Rochester, and Detroit Sioux around 6:10 p.m. Clinton Township around 6:20 p.m. St. Clair Shores and Mount Clemens around 6:25 p.m. Macomb Township around 6:30 p.m. New Baltimore around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this magnetic thunderstorm include Franklin, Keegan Harbor, Roseville, Shelby Township, Utica, Lathrop Village, Auburn Hills, Bingham Farms, Pleasant Ridge, and Centerline. This includes the following highways: I-75 between mile marker 60 and 80, I-94 between mile marker 226 and 249, I-696 between mile markers 5 and 28, M10 between mile markers 13 and 18, M53 between mile markers 16 and 24, M59 between mile markers 38 and 49. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Macomb and Oakland,